Yo, what's going on, everybody? Cuffing the Dip coming at you guys with another one. Hopefully, everybody's feeling good out there. Had a good weekend as we're starting up and kind of getting everything rolling, man. It's definitely been an interesting weekend on my end. It's been pretty fun. But how are you guys feeling out there? Let me know how you guys are feeling in the chat. Let me know how the audio is versus the music, all that good stuff, guys. Let me know. Go ahead and check in. Also, sorry I was a little bit behind, man. I'm still setting up some stuff. It's a little bit tedious using the Streamlabs sometimes, but it's worth it not having that lag behind the stream itself. And the picture just looks better. Give me 2 seconds and I'm gonna pop on screen and then we'll get to a couple different things. I'll see who's in the chat, all that good stuff. See if it's working now. I know we did have some people in here earlier. I know Hambone was in the building. What's going on, Hambone? What's up, Hambone? How you feeling today, man? I believe it's Ford Deli. I might be saying that wrong, might be butchering that. What's going on, Baby Fat? What's up, Baby Fat? Giggity in the building. We got Omar Flight Club, Saitama, OZ or Oz, I believe it is. Shout out to Cuff for helping me get my first NFT. He was patient and took time out of his day to walk me through it. I appreciate it, brother. Yeah, definitely, no problem. No problem. I actually want to advance as many people as I can on NFTs, because NFTs I feel like are going to be a big way to make some money out here in these streets. So you definitely want to try to take advantage of learning as much as you can while you can early. What's going on, Yame? What's up, Yame? And welcome to the building. How you feeling today? What's up? And good eve to you too, Giggity. How you feeling, man? What's going on? What's up, Arthur Larkin? Arthur Larkin in the building. What's going on? Tillery in the building. Yo. See who else we got in the building, man. I'm trying to make sure I didn't miss anybody. What's going on, Crypto Clips? Shane in the building. Still in Google jail. It's all good, man. I know, as long as you got this name, I always know who you are, man. You tell by the Grove pictures. Omar says audio is on point. That's what's up. That's like what I like to hear. Definitely what I like to hear. Little slick. Oh, I think said little slick. Oh my God, I'm reading like a little sick at the moment. I'm sweating, but I feel cold as fuck. But no corona. Tested out negative, man. Hope you get better, man. Yeah, get you better so we can get those jokes back in. Yeah, man, because you definitely sound like just like an elderly woman almost sometimes when you're sick, man. We got to get you past that point, man. Get some tea inside of you. Yeah, I can tell by the word, how you spelling the word energy. I can tell you ain't got none.
Bruh.
Let me get my screen ready. You know you gotta mess with Omar, man. Yeah, man. But you was sounding like grandmama earlier. You know what I'm saying? Like he sound tired, man. You can't get sick around me, man. I gotta make fun of you. I'm gonna laugh the sickness out of you. You know what I'm saying? Omar, oh yeah, Omar does not use real medicine. He uses vodka. He apparently uses vodka. I was gonna say tequila. Maybe it would have been Wakila or something like that. I don't know how he's spelling it nowadays. All right, I think I'm good. I hate that I've been sick like for 2 months straight. It's not what's up. Definitely get well soon. Omar's not taking medicine, so I wouldn't even suggest medicine to Omar. But what's going on, everybody? Finally in the mix. Oh yeah, and so you guys can know, before I do not let you guys know, and I got my inbox open. So I did post, let me blow it up. I did post this up so you guys have a chance to read through it and get to it. We only got 10 retweets on it right now. So that means, 9 retweets on it right now. So that means only 9 people are interested in this happening. So there are some stipulations to this one. So we're going to be trying to get a little bit more engagement into things so that we can, not per se make people work for the giveaway, but make people work for the giveaway. You know what I mean? So just so you can put a little bit of effort towards it, man. Tell a friend, and you get somebody else into the building, man. We'll make it so that it's worth your while. So pretty simple. You say you gotta tough it out, yeah, man. Yeah, you gotta tough it out. What's going on, my brother? Man, I gotta, you know what? I got to fix that. Hold on, one second. I got to. Whoa. Cause it's cutting my dipper off. Hilarious shit. Browser. Whoa. Better. All right, what's going on, Justa Grover? Had to get that new member. I gotta let you guys know that you guys are out here a little dipping in the stuff, you know what I mean? Taking a little dip into that market. So yeah, I had to get that in there. But what's going on, Justa Grover 04? How you feeling? And definitely prayers out to your coworker, man. Definitely, Shane. Sorry to hear that, man. That's crazy. But guys, if you want an opportunity to just to quickly win $50, man, you can retweet this. Be prepared by just following the sponsors and of course the Flight Club BAP. And also just to be prepared, man, you just got to be inside of the space, man. We're giving it away to people who are actually inside of the space. So if you are interested in it, you just got to be there. So pretty simple. If we get the space up to 50 people, that's when this will initiate. As soon as it hits 49, then 50, I will be entering all of this info into the Twitter picker, and then we'll go ahead and run that joker so we can get some more people into the Twitter spaces, man. It's been pretty fun. We've been getting some new people out there, so definitely don't miss out on your chance on this one. So let me go ahead and refresh, see what we're looking like today, man. We're still teeter-tottering within the same zones, but looking a little better than we were previously. So I guess we're still okay to a certain extent. So it's still some speculation out there. We're getting closer and closer. I think almost about a week away from us getting another rate hike. So we'll see how many basis points we'll end up going up that time. But as of right now, this period, Bitcoin within a 24-hour period is almost down about 1%. It was pumping previously. Well, I wouldn't even say pumping. It went up a little bit to where it normally would go within the channel that it's in right now. And today it's not really doing the same. It's actually losing a little bit of that progress. It's been going up and down, but more down than anything else. It's saying within a 24-hour period. Ethereum is let me scroll. Actually, you can see it. So 1.2%, down about 1.2%. So it's at 1339. Bitcoin is at 19.2 So very, I mean, not a whole lot of movement in the market right now, to be honest. XRP probably moved the most. It was almost about 3.5% is down right now. Solana's down about 2%. Polkadot is up almost 0.5%. Polygon down about 1%. Shiba, what's Crow at? Crow still at about 10 cents. So everything's kind of going sideways, to be honest. Kind of just trading sideways and waiting for I guess waiting for this rate hike to come in. People are taking advantage of that volatility, but everybody doesn't want to kind of play in those waters right this second. Let me see. Okay, so that's not a bad view. As you guys can see right here, just to put you guys in perspective of what's kind of going on within the market, we're still trading within this this highlighted area that I have marked and kind of said that these are kind of the channel that we've been trading in between. So it goes to the bottom right here. Sometimes it does break out a little bit, but it does retrace right back into this channel and kind of trade up and down. People who are actually doing some leverage trades may be benefiting from this pretty well, depending on when you're doing it. This one could have been a little bit of a send off. It could have been, I mean, you actually could have made a little bit of money in the short, to be honest, if you would have caught the top, but the indicator probably would have been around this range or so to kind of get in. So this would have told me to probably get into the short. Got to break that that strong level of support that we got right underneath it. So let me see. Only 2 months away from earning the a stomping with the big dogs. Yeah, make flexing with the little trophy, man. I'm telling you, I gotta blow it up a little bit, man. Let you guys see the different things on there. But yeah, so we looks like we came down to around this range, pretty much retracing from the uptrend that we had right there, which was what, like I said, it's not really going up a whole lot. It may look like it, but it's really not. Go for the peak. The peak is up about 7%, about a 7% gain right there. That's really nothing in between that. So if you think about it. But this is the daytime frame. We're still in a downtrend also. You go to the 1 week or the month, we're still in the same downtrend. Kind of curious to see where this one's gonna go. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. We're looking on the visual for you guys. Not bad, yeah. So even on the 1 week chart, it says that we're pretty much at the point where we should either stay at this point or we'll go down a little bit further. We go down a little bit further. This is the next strongest level of support right here, around the 1230 range, and then it could go lower than that. It depends. I feel like with this rate hike, we might see a little bit lower Bitcoin and Ethereum within the market, and we'll kind of see how it progresses from there. Definitely poised to get ready for that. It's just really just trading sideways after a downtrend for weeks now, actually. But I also wanted to get into some NFT stuff. into this. I've been looking at a couple of new cryptos that launched. Clear Cryptos is one of the ones I was paying attention to. It's was getting really close to about 10 cents. I don't know if we've reached the ceiling on this one or not. I guess we'll see as it progresses, but it definitely had a quick run up and then a sell off. Apparently they were kind of negating bots within their system. So, you know, we'll see what that is. Let's hit Bolix token up too. Let me see what Bolix is doing, but just to see them up 43% on the day and the market's kind of down right now is not a bad sign. Not gonna lie to you. Bolix token is trading within this zone right now. Hard to do TA on something so early, but we'll still try to. Especially with the buyback and burns that he has and a lot of other variables within this one. It'll be interesting trying to kind of gauge this one. Purposes. Down on this 4 hour, because that's probably the next range we're looking for. So pretty much it launched, downtrended a little bit, came to this spot. This may be a decent level of support for the moment. Raised up, got rejected at this level of resistance right here. Went back at it, got rejected, then looked like it kind of traded sideways on this level of support for a little bit. Now it came down and is back underneath it, and it is at what will be considered its point of control since it has launched. That will be this solid red line right here, and that's just the point of control over a certain period of time that it has been trading. So it may use this point of control as a level of support and or resistance also, depending on how much volume does come into it. Did see something else about them possibly getting their NFTs out also. So definitely take a look out for them. You know what I mean? I check into a couple things that I just like looking at just off of the top. So I'm gonna go through a couple more, and then I'll probably hit some more NFT information as you go. As you guys know, the Flight Club NFT Prepared for Flight has launched. It is minting currently right now. It is 0.02 Ethereum right this second, and it gives you multiple different opportunities to get a lot of different things, guys. So definitely check into that if you have not already. Sky token is another one that I've been paying attention to. I've noticed that it has kind of been touching this line of support right here pretty heavy. Right now it's at a range to where it's getting rejected right here, which is a pretty hefty level of resistance around this range. So it could come down a little bit more to this range again, then try to take another go at it. It might not make it all the way down to this support level at 20 cents, but it could get pretty close, or it could get some volume to come in. It's only about 3K right now, which is why it's kind of getting rejected around this range. Not enough volume to get past this level of resistance. If it did, it does have a little bit of free space to roam before it hits the next level of resistance, where it might have a little bit of trouble at, depending on what type of volume comes into it. But this is one of the tokens that I actually like this token. You know what I mean? I like a lot of different aspects about it, and I've gone over some different things about it. But as you guys know, I don't really try to persuade anybody into my investments. I do only do like monthly content on things and projects that I actually believe in, things that I see longevity in. You know what I mean? You guys have heard about this multiple different times. I'm not doing content on it, but it's just something that I've been paying attention to. Same thing with Slake. Slake is another one right now. Slake is currently valued at a penny per token right now, which is pretty good in what we got going on, especially in this market right now. So we've seen Slake definitely go through a process to where, let's go to day chart. Definitely some gaps in between volume in the 4-hour chart on this one, which most DeFi projects, smaller market cap projects, don't have the most volume right this second, so it's not abnormal. So if we're looking at this, I would have to say Came up, had a little bit of sell off, kept going up. Like this is not bad organic growth, developing different levels of support and resistance as it goes up. So we're not really looking for those dramatic falls. Looks like people are holding also. So went up to right here, which at this time would have been a new all-time high. Had a sell off, comes down here, bounces off of this, goes back up, and then I guess meets another line of resistance. Really the resistance is around here. You can see, I don't know if you guys see this tiny wick right here. We got rejected at. I can put a line right there really quick. What am I looking for, man? Around that range, so you can see almost at the tip of this is where the actual wick of that starts. So bam, bam, right there. So pretty much it's trading within this range right now. It did go beneath this. It was a decent sell-off right here around this range. Came back up to retest, didn't go through, retest again, got rejected. You can see the wick and the price action right here. Then goes back up to retest, goes through, and that's where we're currently at right now. Next level that it really does have to, I guess, fight with at this point will probably be around this range. And if it blows past that, it'll take a shot at that all-time high again. So it just really depends. Let's see if I missed anything. I got some Sky in my wallet. Hey, apparently it's not a bad thing to have. Yeah, Sky token cup. Yeah. So I've been looking at a couple different things. This is a beautiful chart right now. Yeah, it definitely is a beautiful chart right now, man. Not bad. That Clear Cryptos doesn't look like a bad chart either. Our bear over this month, Cuff. Are you saying bearish sentiments over this month? No, we still have multiple different rate hikes that we're looking at. So we're probably looking for more, just some more pain within the market right this second. Luna says, hopefully. Nah, Luna, I'm not gonna lie to you. It may be rough for a little bit more. Hit the like and make sure you join the space afterwards, chill and have a good time. Yes, and definitely indeed. Also get an opportunity to win some cash if we get up to that 50 people within the space. We've been getting really close to that just organically. So with the giveaway, it might be pretty easy to get to that number. You never know. As Luna says, you definitely don't want to miss out on that situation. Definitely don't want to miss out. What am I on? Slake. All right, so that was Slake. You know what I'm saying? Another favorite through Awesome Austin and a couple other people, Cool and Chris, everybody like that. They like the MMAI, which looks to be had a little bit of trouble coming out, it looks like, but I mean it's DeFi. Every project is not going to get that hyped up momentum. So at this point, if I'm just briefly looking at it, this is not me really like digging in and trying to do like TA like that. I would probably say around this range is a range that is probably going to play around until it has volume. I don't know how much volume it has, but the volume has to be low for it to still be downtrending and kind of getting rejected around this range again. So we'll see how it does go up, but if it does get past this range and the next range of resistance, it does have a gap to run, so it does have some range to actually take off within this range. Then it meets another pretty hefty level of support and resistance around this range. But after this, well, actually technically this range, let's say right here, it pretty much has another chance at getting to its all-time high. Nobody knows what's going to happen in this market. If it trades sideways around this range, maybe flips and uses as a support level rather than resistance, I would actually feel a little bit more comfortable around that range rather than it being where it's at, even though it is below launch price right now currently. So yeah, see what we get. Pelican market. Yo, what's the deal? What's going on? What's good, everybody? I overslept. Then that's crazy. That's fast. What's fast? What did I miss? I call myself taking a pre-work nap. Yeah, man, you should be real charged up then, my brother. You should be quite charged. But yeah, that's this one. It's taking a brief look. And we'll also take a look at a couple more, but you guys already know what time it is, baby. Hey, I agree, Tillery. I see you talking about get the Discord jumping. Yes, sir. I'm definitely with that. If you guys and Tillery, man, if you interested in being a mod, man, let me know. Looking for some mods inside of the Discord. Besides mods, we are trying to expand as far as a team too. Hold on, I don't know why I got a cough. Hold on. All right, let me see if my throat is together now. I don't know what it's been like. Literally for like a month and a half, my voice has been like fried. I don't know what it is, man. Been doing a lot of talking too, though. Not gonna lie to you. But yeah, definitely, yeah, man. We need some mods in there, man. Some people that don't mind talking to people, man. Especially, man, Tillery, you've been around for a while, man. You probably know a lot more about the project than a lot of people, man. Not gonna lie to you, man. Especially how you've been kind of with the movement and what everything's been going on, man. Yeah, man. So we need some good people trying to expand and doing as much as we can within this brand itself. Definitely with all of that. All right, so said I was gonna look at a couple different ones. Looked at Meta Monkey Eye, looked at Biolick, Sky, Slate. Let me see. We haven't checked into Grove in a while, right? If I am forced to use this account for now on, when I yeah, I think it will reset just because of the time frame of this account wasn't. That sucks to. Yeah, it would. I think it will subscribe. But yeah, exactly. If it's not the same one, yeah, it does that. All right, so what is this? Grove on ETH. Okay. All right, so Grove on ETH, if I'm just checking it out, just looking at it from this perspective, I think we all know where we came from previously. We were previously on a downtrend. I still literally have my target, but I think they may have initiated some, hold on. Sheesh. I don't know what's going on. It's trying to get me in today. All right, so it was in a previous downtrend, guys. So this is what it was doing. It kept going around its range, retracing, using this downtrend line as line of support. This is naturally the strongest level of support that it did have around that range. So this was around my target if it continued on this downtrend and around this range. But I think they initiated some buybacks and burns around this range, which may have caused a parabolic reaction. Then, of course, the Dubai Expo coming and some other things kind of took place. So we went over about 100% or so from there. did end up selling off a little bit from there. This is the price action of where it actually went to. So it broke this level of support here, came back, retraced, more of a sell-off, came down, a little bit more of a sell-off, hit this level of support right here, ends up going up, trying to retest, got rejected, then it goes up a little bit. Then it actually gets rejected right here, where it previously got rejected, where you can see the price action there with the wick. So got rejected this time, came back down, continued to come back down. Same thing here, came down again, breaking the uptrend that it was creating around that range. So now we're kind of, I guess you can consider this still a downtrend right this second if you really want to look at it from this perspective, especially on the day chart right now. And the downtrend has not completely found a bottom just yet. It is on a pump right this second, but it looks like it came around this range, went up here, and then it got rejected at this level of resistance right here. So nearest level, if it doesn't go up and retest with some volume or some type of announcement comes in, I haven't been as tuned in as I was beforehand, but it could possibly go up, retest, and go up. If not, I see it possibly getting rejected, coming back to this level, or maybe even a little bit lower within this range. So we'll see where this does go. I definitely think that there is some good things coming from Grove, but I mean, just paying attention to good levels to get into it are not bad. As I was explaining when I was covering the chart pretty heavy, like all of these are good levels to try to get in, especially these levels of support. Check these ranges out, because you never know when it does get some volume how it will react, and you can kind of see how it did react. So if you were dollar cost averaging in at good ranges going down, you definitely could have got some good plays and a good return on that 100+% that it did go up afterwards. Let me see. Use some walker. Yeah, I don't need any walker. I'm good, sir. I need your homeboys in the NFTs. Okay. Oh yeah, I'm cool on the quarter bottle. Grove is gonna go parabolic. That's what's up. I need to pick up some more Grove. Yeah, man. So there's different levels you want to pay attention to. Like I said, the goal is to dollar cost average in, not to time the market, because this is, if it was a perfect market, this is the range that it would have squeezed in. The market maker account probably would have kicked in around this range, and some different volume would have kicked in. Probably would have had a similar reaction, but initiating the buyback and burn. You got that Dubai event coming up, man. Had some parabolic nature, some good buys coming in around this range. So came a little bit earlier than that, man. So like I said, man, timing the market sucks. Sometimes it's dollar cost averaging in, which I'm not gonna lie, I actually did participate in a little bit of that. So it just is a little bit easier. So you know, save a little bit. Yeah, my Grove chat be going off non-stop. LOL. The Discord, yeah, they literally have people up 24/7 all around the world, pretty much. Australia, just different places, kind of you know what I mean? I better get while everything is down. Yeah, so keep in mind when you're getting, especially like I said, normally I would say trading and stuff like that, yeah, take it with a grain of salt. Just pay attention to it, because DeFi, decent amount of money can come in and really change the market a lot. But with the situation that we're kind of looking at, we're looking at a possibility of 2 to 3 different rate hikes. I'm not gonna lie to you. So there's a possibility of the market going down significantly, just because we've been trading sideways for a significant amount of time. What that does is kind of create a build up to where either we're going to go up or we're going to go down. You know what I mean? It's almost like shaking a bottle and the bottle getting stiff and firm. You know what I mean? It's either gonna, like, the fizz is gonna go down, or it's gonna continue to come up and go out. So that's my analogy to that one, if that made any sense at all. But I feel like we're at a state to where we've been shaking quite well, you know what I mean, where we're kind of going sideways, and at some point we're gonna get some type of movement. It's been a lot of negative news, but a lot of positive movement in the market lately. I think it may be a different turnout this time. Possibly, I'm not gonna just quote that. It may be different. You never know. You You never know. Just not gonna lie to you guys. Like I don't want to put anything specific on that one. So I mean, it's a possibility that we get 0.75 points in the market rises. I mean, I feel like it should go down with us having to pay more expenses of everything around us. But I mean, it's expected also. So you never know how this market kind of is going to react to everything. I think that the whales will try to play on the volatility a little bit, but we'll see. We shall see. What else I want to look at? Let's look at Saitama. See how Saitama's doing really quick. So Saitama also below the launch price currently right this second. Over up. What's volume are we looking at right now? 71,000 in volume. That's still some pretty high volume with the bearish market, not gonna lie to you. So Saitama is currently I mean, if you mark it up, see. I can pick a range probably around here. So best case scenario for it right this second is especially with the bearish sentiments, is not going down further, going up and keep retesting this level of resistance right here until it gets inside of this channel and trade sideways for a little bit. It may even go up and above, but this is a pretty solid level of resistance if not having a significant amount of volume. If they do get a significant amount of volume, pump past this resistance level and they're in this channel and somehow break out, this will probably be the next level that it really has to deal with as far as resistance, which is a pretty hefty level. It's definitely a lot more resistance than this level right here. So we need a significant amount of volume to break free of this, and then it does have a little bit of freedom to run, as there is no real history of it really being around these ranges. So we'll see how this one ends up trading. They normally get a significant amount of volume, but the entire market is down. So we'll kind of see how that ends up playing out. You guys already know Ape was another one that I liked a lot, but it's just like the market is trading sideways. Cuz, what's your thoughts on Kadashi? I don't think I've ever even looked at it. To be honest, I don't have any thoughts on that one. Like, I've never even like pulled the chart up at all, period, or like looked at any logistics of it. With all that's going on, just with the logo, I say stay away from NFA. Wait. What are you talking about? You talking about Ape? Is that what you're talking about? You got to be more specific way. I'm not gonna lie to you, because regardless to rumors or not, man, I feel like if the floor price of Bored Ape Yacht Club is not going down to like 10 ETH or 5 ETH or something like that, the token is just gonna trade with the market. I mean, there are gonna be some people that take profit, stuff like that, but I don't think ApeCoin is going anywhere. We talking about ApeCoin, I just don't see it. Once they get the regulations going, we can have some type of movement in the market. Plus, we need big time institution money. Yeah, smart money, of course. Oh, Kadachi in the logo, they're using that Paul is about to shut down. It's not gonna go far. Like I said, me personally don't have any personal involvement. I've never looked into the token like that. One, because I mean, at first I didn't even know it existed. Then when I did know it existed, it was just the logistics of kind of how things went. Last time I checked, I thought Kadachi wasn't doing anything else. Rather than it seems like he kind of left the other project to go make another project, which is kind of wild to me in this space. I'm tired of seeing developers kind of do similar things like that. so I haven't really looked into it. I don't know anything logistically about the actual project itself, so not flooding or doing anything else about it. Just saying it's not my personal cup of tea and not something that I've looked into personally. But could be amazing for whoever is investing into it. You never know. Or it could be horrible. You never know. I don't have any knowledge on it though. I'll pull up the chart and look at it though. For a strong 2 seconds. What is it? Oh, I ain't got no O in the go. Dodge it. I mean, if this is the chart, I'm just gonna throw this out there. It looks like a yikes-a-rooney sandwich, like everything else. Yeah, this is in a downtrend, has not found a bottom yet currently, so it's still trending down. Did have a pump for a little bit though. I would definitely say that. Had a pump and some decent price action for a little bit. Don't know what that was determined off of though. Went up about 200% in total, but that was from the downtrend. Launched around this range, so about 10% less. All right. Let me see. I missed anything else? Everything's going you're welcome. Just don't want to see people get in the middle of the drum. Yeah, it sucks sometimes. And have money in limbo like Kishi. Yeah. I mean, it's rough, man. It's rough, man. Like, as you guys know, I stay in my lane and try my best to keep my eyes on the prize, if you will. Also, guys, keep in mind we got a space in 39 minutes. Like I said, if we get 50 people inside of that space, I'll be giving away 50 buckaroos, man. You guys are more than welcome to join in, kick it, enjoy the vibes, or whatever else we got going on, man. So it definitely will be some fun things going on throughout that process. But I did have some people asking me like what to do. I mean, you got multiple different ways you can get in. I mean, you can connect with a MetaMask wallet, or you can connect Coinbase, Wallet Connect. I normally just do Wallet Connect, which mine's actually already on there. Plus I got card and some more stuff. Let's see. And then this is my actual profile. Shows the feature stuff, then it shows the stuff in the wallet. I favorited some different stuff, so. Check on the floor price of the Bulls and 8 project really quick. Still getting offers of 0.7. Plan D. Let's see what I'm 0.37, so we're almost at 0.4 on the Bulls and 8's floor. I don't know if you guys have been following it with me, guys, but it was 0.17. Now it's at 0.37. It's up 0.2, which is a pretty decent profit. 0.2 is not a bad amount of money to gain on a project, especially if you would have bought low on this one. This one has a lot of value to it that people are kind of neglecting looking at, including the teams that you can actually mint for free within this project, guys. So you might want to pay attention to that. Also incorporated with the Flight Club, as we are a sub trait group from the Bulls and 8 project. So yeah, man. Teams are actually being sold at about $170. Speaking of teams, we're giving away a teen bull, guys. So pretty much almost $200 worth of value we're giving away. You can mint 1, 2, 3, however many opportunities you want to win within 5, 10, and 610, and we will be picking a number between 5, 10, and 610 and raffling off that teen bull, so you can get your Bulls and Apes on. I put my team bull up for sale. I think I put it at 0.16. Okay. Yeah, people are buying them. People are buying them, and people are minting the hell out of them also. people are buying and minting them up. Awesome. Yeah, definitely appreciate the support, man. Definitely appreciate the support. We've been growing organic. We've been getting some different mints. We have some different platforms will be going on. We do have the exclusive vibes that is coming to a theater near you, which is why I actually put the video out today. I'm gonna put like some sort of snippets and some cuts that I actually put up too. If you guys did get a chance to view that exclusive vibes first video, man, that remix from the first video that we actually did, let me know what you guys thought about the video and how it was. Was it good, bad? Do you guys have any suggestions at all? Period. Anything like that, let me know, and I'll try my best to incorporate those different things as I can. But yeah, you can see people are actually minting these. What is it? Anthony just minted a couple of them. Yeah, they minted a bunch today. Yeah, so they're minting a bunch of these teams per day. That's crazy. I didn't even know it was this critical. Okay, so let me check out some more. If you guys have any information that you guys want me to look into, once I do pull back up on you guys, I am going to get into some Flight Club information. Like I said, we will be plugging some different things. We're working on our staking platform and some other cool things, so you guys will be able to physically see that. I'll do some videos kind of explaining everything like that. And we're growing organically, which is not bad at all. I got some plans to do some marketing and advertisement for us too, so stay tuned, guys, and kind of see what we have going on. But in the meantime, between time, guys, give me a few seconds and I will be right back. Alrighty then. And I see you, Shane. Shane said, "Who wants me to make a Hollywood Halloween Flight Club video? Us, we, die, us. You know what I mean? Everyone. You know, just throw a couple words out there. You know what I mean? I think everybody wants to see that. I know I definitely want to see that. That would be cool. Definitely sign me up for that, Shane." All right, so back to what I was saying. I was going to get into the flight club. Let me first make sure no additional ones are minute. All right, so we are currently at a 0.05 floor, which is $67, which is not bad. If you look at the actual NFT itself, if you're unfamiliar with the project, we definitely got enough information for you. If you tune into the spaces, I go through it multiple different times, but I don't mind going through it just really quick, soft shield really quick for you guys. So we this is a project that is 0.02 in Ethereum, guys. Super cheap to mint. You can get as many mints as you want to. There is $100,000 worth of Ethereum that is mixed up in this collection. Along with that $100,000 worth of Ethereum, there's multiple other prizes, but the $100,000 in Ethereum is mixed into multiple different increments of 50, 100, 500, and 1,000. So you have multiple different opportunities to win all the way up to $100,000 plus the sponsors, donations from Bolix Token, Toy Moris, and the Stoner Bull. So it's definitely some I feel like some heat in this collection, guys. So you guys are definitely getting a fair share for what you're investing in. The $25, because you can get any of these things for any of the $25. No matter how much you end up spending, you can get one and get any of these different items that are inside this collection, plus the 3 different honorary NFTs we have, all stakeable. One just stakeable, the second one only 100 in the collection, and it will have a higher staking rate. Plus it is attached to 3 different raffles, some ETH, a Teen Bull, and a OG Bull. So definitely some big things we'll be doing with that one. Then the last one is only 20 in the collection, the highest staking amount that you can get as far as percentages, and it is attached to a 2 Ethereum raffle. So I don't know how you can go wrong with this collection, but it's definitely some fun things that are attached to it. And man, it is definitely getting hefty as far as the floor price is almost at 0.4. So we might even have to grab our OG before we paying the top premium for like 0.5. So we definitely will be doing a lot of different giveaways in between. We're doing one tonight. If we can get up to 50 people in this space, we're going to be doing some cool things, guys. So you guys are more than welcome to join in with us. Like I said, man, it's going to be some cool times, man. Some cool times for everybody. But this project is minting now. If you guys don't know where to go, if you go to the link tree, you can see this is how you get to the actual OpenSea collection. This is how you get to my Twitter. This is how you get to YouTube. This is the official mint site. You go here. It shows an animation. Sometimes if you're on a Coinbase wallet, which I wouldn't even mint on a Coinbase wallet, it's just better on MetaMask or a Trust wallet. I'm just going to be honest with you. But you would click here, go to Wallet Connect, bam, it takes you in, and it allows you to see how many mints have been minted, how many are left. You can click how many mints that you want to mint. You can click a billion of them if you want to. I think it goes up to whatever you want. So you can literally, like I said, you can mint as many as you want, guys, and you can go crazy with this. So as much as you want to support, we do have a giveaway between 5, 10, and 610. We're giving away a Teen Bull. We're going to be doing some other giveaways with mint incentives. We do have a mint incentive of 5 minutes at a time. You get entered into a $50 Ethereum giveaway, $100 Ethereum giveaway if you mint 10 at one time, plus some other things and perks, also memberships that you can take advantage of. So it's a long list of things that you get beneficial, that is all given to you for a $25 mint. And that says even if you mint as little as 1 or 5, you get multiple different perks with that. So if anybody has any questions, concerns, let me know. I will put something together, Like something with a Miss Yellow song saying, "Get your men on, I'm dead." Like that's funny. But guys, we have that Twitter space, 25 minutes, guys. So if you guys got any questions, concerns, let me know. If not, we might actually be transitioning out around this time. I'm gonna go eat some food, and then I'll probably hop into the Twitter space. And you guys, like I said, you guys are more than welcome to join your boy. It's gonna be exciting. It's gonna be fun as usual. We got Omar, who may sound like Snuffleupagus. He may talk, may not talk. I don't know. Shy's at work, so you know what I mean. Come talk, chat it up, man. Let me know what you guys are doing, what you guys are feeling like. Can I answer the above question real quick? What is it? Is there a Flight Club hat with a scary outfit? I don't know about scary. Maybe the alien control. One of those. Where is that at? We do just alien control. I mean, this one look like it may have got turned into a zombie. It's the closest zombie looking one. I think it's like a lion now. I don't know about spooky or scary. I don't think they thought about that one. Yeah, but whatever random you come up with, man, I'm definitely yeah, I'll try to see if I can look into it too. There are some other wild looking ones, man, but I just a lot of them are not Flight Club. But guys, you already know what time it is, man. I definitely appreciate you guys. Like I said, I'm gonna grab a bite to eat. Got 22 minutes until that space does start, so I'm going to stop the lo-fi like I normally say. I greatly appreciate you guys for stopping in, listening to the info. There'll be some more info in the space, good vibes. There'll be a giveaway if we hit 50 people inside of the space. Keep cuffing that dip, guys, as I normally say, man. And of course, it is Beyond Crypto, guys. So remember that also. And you guys try to enjoy life, get outside, and all of that good stuff. So see you guys in the space if you guys come over. If not, then I will see you guys tomorrow. I'm out here.